What up, everybody? This is your favorite realtor, Josh Brown, coming to you guys live again with another off-market property. This one's going to be over here in the Aurora area off of Rifle Way and Kentucky Ave. And this is going to be a very unique property. It's definitely a corner lot. So guess what? You get the edge of the property, which is usually the best value in the neighborhood. There's a lot of good schools in this area. Buckley Air Force Base is like right down the street from here. They actually just repaved the whole driveway, so you'll have a fresh new paved driveway. But I just wanted to give you guys a good view of this property. So I'm gonna give you a property tour. Come check it out with me. There are gonna be some things that need to be updated, but you know, for the right person, this would be a great investment opportunity. So come take a tour with me. Okay, guys, so this property here is going to be a 4-bed, 2.5 baths. So you're going to have 3 beds upstairs, two full bathrooms downstairs, and you're going to have 1 full bedroom with a half bath here. So as you guys can see, this one is going to need a little bit of work, but you know, it's mostly cosmetic things, you know, paint, flooring, maybe some new carpet, and just follow me into the kitchen. I mean, you guys, this is where you can explore and kind of put your imagination to work. I'm not, you know, you can do a lot of things with this property still. Definitely update the kitchen. And let's move into the main living room area, which has a full living room. You got your fireplace right there. And then before we go to the backyard, I'm gonna take you guys to the office space that's below. So this is gonna be the office space right here. Small little room, office space, and then you got your 1 little half bathroom right here. As you guys can see, it's not much to it. Definitely gonna need some updating, rehab. But as you guys can see, it's, you know, still in okay shape. Definitely gonna have to redo the trims. Now follow me upstairs really quickly. Now upstairs is gonna be where the 3 bedrooms and the 2 full bathrooms are. The vanities up here are all already kind of updated, so you won't need to change any of those. But you definitely need to do some carpeting on the stairs. And then we're gonna put you guys into the first bathroom. As you can see, the first bathroom has the full vanity. And now we're gonna move into the, first bedroom. This is gonna be the master suite. As you guys can see, it already has 2 double vanities. So that way, you know, his and her sink, the full closet, and then you got your bathtub right there. And then you can kind of come back and see the bathroom. It's already kind of updated and ready to go. So you wouldn't really need to do much to it. And now I'm gonna take you guys into the second and third bedroom. And they're all pretty good size too. And this is what you want when you're looking for, you know, something to rehab, good square footage, maybe redo the carpet, take off these popcorn ceilings. I would actually keep the paint this color, but you know, you got your full closet right here. And now we're gonna move into the second bedroom. I mean, the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom. It's a little bit smaller, but this is gonna be, you know, for the kids, guest room, whatever the case may be. Also has a full closet. That sort. You guys get a good idea. Full egress window there, so can't count the square footage. All right, now let's take it out to the backyard. As you guys can see, there's already a little shade area that was already built here. You guys can pretty much do whatever you want to do to it. Add this into like a sunroom, you know, or a family room or a man's room or whatever the case may be. Let's come outside. We got brand new fencing along the sides. And it pretty much wraps around the whole property. Definitely have some things that you got to get rid of, but take a look at the backyard. This is pretty much the backyard. And then if you follow me over here, you also have another little backyard area. I mean, you can put the dogs here. put your own little garden, whatever the case may be. So yeah, man, that's pretty much the property. Definitely let me know if you guys want to take a look at this property, or what the cost is associated with getting this property rehab. I can definitely give you guys some quotes. This will be definitely a good investment property. So if you can, like and subscribe to my channel, DM me for more information, and thank you guys for coming along on my video. So this is Josh Brown, your favorite realtor, over and out.